Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Mr. Steve. I'm here in San Diego, California at Little Artist Studios. We provide drawing and painting studio classes for kids as well as online lessons. So I'm going to do a demonstration today about how our lessons work online. So a couple of things that we like to do while we're warming up and getting the kids ready is talk to them about how we communicate. So I will tell the kids, hey, when you're doing well or you're okay and you finish the drawing, you're going to put your thumb up like this and give me a thumbs up. If you have a question, raise your hand. Of course, on Zoom, you have the ability to use your reactions, and they can use those as well, but a little quicker to do that. Another thing they can do is we do picture checks. So what a picture check looks like is when they're going to take their picture like this, hold it up close to their nose, and hold it out just a little bit like this to the camera so we can see how their progress is going, see if there's any adjustments that need to be made. Also want to tell them, you don't want to hold it too close or off to the side, doesn't help. Just right out in front of your face so you can't see your screen anymore. Usually I can see your picture pretty well. So we're going to go ahead and do a little drawing today of a bunny. And just to give you an idea of what the instruction looks like, this lesson is probably for ages, I'd say like 5 to 7, 5 to 8, something like that. So we're going to go ahead and do our demo now.